Next point which I have in my bucket is practice. You should
Practice what exactly?
Okay, so practice a lot, whatever you study.
Okay. So like it is related to that application part that we discussed earlier, that whatever core subjects you are going through, programming languages you are going through, you need to implement them, you need to work on the application of it.
Yes, yes. So basically, when I study something, it looks like I know everything, but after some time, I will forget everything.
Yeah,
Right.
it happens.
When time comes, everything is gone.
Yeah.
So only way to retain that knowledge is you should practice a lot. If you are learning a programming language, practice it. Write as many as programs you want. Try to build applications around it. Right. If you are learning data structures, practice them. How different use cases are solved using those data structures, right? So this is a very important area. And there are so many online platforms these days. You just log in, try to solve as many as problems you can.
Yeah, they are like competitive programming hackathons.
Right.
These sort of platforms are available nowadays, like, and people do make use of it. And those big companies, like the top-notch IT companies, they also give in their selection procedure, they have this sort of thing. They do judge on such programming skills.
Yes, yes. I think all these platforms gives some kind of ratings also, and when you have a high rating, people connect with you. HRs try to connect with you. Different organizations try to connect with you if you are open for a position, or if you want to work with them. So just do not wait for the campus that okay, some recruitment will happen. Build your skill set, participate in these things, and people will connect with you even when your college is not complete.
Correct.
Right? It will open up so many arenas for you. Right?
Correct.
And build your own source code repositories. Use GitHub or some other platforms. Write your code, push it to the repositories, and give it to someone else for the review, or somebody else can use it if it's a very good code, right? And try to experience some real world software projects.
Correct.
Right? Contribute to open source projects.
Yeah, understood.
And you can do internships also.
Yeah, absolutely. That's the most practical way to learn things.
Yes, it brings you, I think, close to the real world. You have an opportunity to talk to the people who are working in the industry, or see how industry is working.
Yeah.
So don't waste your internships. Don't just go to the office, have some coffee in the cafeteria and come back. Right?
Make use of it, like whatever opportunity you have got.
Make use of it.
Interact
Don't
with
waste
people, see what they are doing and how they are doing and what they are not doing.
Right.
So it's a good learning opportunity, but normally people take it as that you need a certificate at the end. So,
yes.
So rather, we should not, or a student should not be doing that. It just you have an exposure to the industry, but you are not answerable for anything if it goes wrong. So it's you can keep your eyes and ears open and learn.
Right.
Without any side effects of anything if anything goes wrong.
Right. So it's a good opportunity, and they should really try to focus on these things.